Hello there, this is lostfile, and I am doing a review on Icar. I don't know how to pronounce it. Icaros, which is it's not a Linux operating system. In fact, it's its own animal. It's actually based off of something that was designed to run on old Amiga machines. And if you don't know what that is, Google it, and I will give you a link to the site in the description of this video if you want to check it out. I recommend you don't install this on your main machine because this is very unstable and it's more of a hobbyist sort of thing. But if you have like an extra old school desktop laying around or something, you can run it natively if you want, or try to. So it's nothing really fancy. I mean, you got your basic web browser and system utilities here. You got an editor, notepad thing, and you got a few. I think this distribution, comes with an updater, I think. So you can update it if you want to. You can either update it via the internet, or you can update it via package, like you get from the forum or official site. Go into the extras, you go into networking, and you go into, they have a few apps. They have Simple Mail, which is like an email client. They have Wookie Chat, which is a IRC client. They have this, which is also another IRC client. And if you go into web apps, they have a shortcut that will directly take you to their forums. So, yeah. Quit this, and as you can see, this is their forums. Supposedly, you could also watch YouTube and stuff like that on here, but I haven't been able to get that to work for some reason. So, I wonder what the homepage on this is. So it uses the Odyssey web browser, which, weird part is, the Odyssey web browser is for MorphOS. But apparently it's also for AirOS, or Icaros, or whatever this distribution is based off of. I think if you can also play YouTube videos, I think it kind of works. Not necessarily. Sometimes it wants to work, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it doesn't for some reason. We also have a remote desktop app, our desktop. It comes with a few games by default, games and demos and applications. It also comes pre-installed with Doom and Quake, which I think these are the shareware versions of Doom and Quake, not the full version, because, you know, if it was the full version of the game, the person or developer of this operating system would get sued for copyright and that sort of thing. But then again, I think the engine itself is already open source. Here's the demos. Let's take a look here. It also uses OpenGL, so you can sort of see a few very simple 3D rendered objects. Of course, I'm using this in VirtualBox, so some things are not going to work very well. But like I said earlier, do not install this on your main machine. And if you are going to install this on a main machine natively, I recommend you use it on some dinosaur you got laying around. Not something you use every day. But yeah, this is my video. I gotta cut it short. I'm kind of in the middle of doing something else right now. So yeah.